So hi everybody, this is the first in the series of videos for homework number 9, the test number 1 study guide, part 2. It's called Chapter 6 Review, and this is the video on the solutions for the problems in the study guide. Okay, number 1. So here we have triangle RST is congruent to WVU. So based on the definition of similarity, write all the conclusions you can make. So you know all the conclusions is going to include angles and sides. So what can we say about the angles? So just by looking at the description here, we can say that angle R is congruent to angle W. We can say that angle S is congruent to angle V, and we can say angle T is congruent to angle U. Okay, that's about all we can say about the angles. So now let's look at the sides. So change colors here. So let's look at our smallest side first. So on this triangle, that would be ST. On this triangle, it would be VU. So we can write our proportionality statement, ST over VU. It's going to be equal to, now let's look at our largest one. So our largest one here is RT over our largest one on this triangle is UW. So that's going to be equal to our remaining angle, which is RS over WV. And you notice that I'm going in the same direction on all of these. So RS went from R to S, and that's what I wrote. And it went from the point here to the top here. So here I have to write it the same way. So W went first, and then V was at the top. Okay. So we've written our proportionality statement for the sides. And we've written the congruences of the angles. So that's it. That's all we can do. And those are all the conclusions that you can make. Okay, number 2 is a multiple choice. So triangles A, B, C, and D, E, F are similar, and you're supposed to find which statement is not correct. So we'll just go through a process of elimination. It might be helpful to draw our triangles. So A, B, C. Turn that on. And let's go in order, D, E, F. So A says A over B over DE, AB to DE is equal to BC over EF. Now these are corresponding sides, AB to DE and BC to EF. Okay, so that one looks like it's probably okay. Okay, so let's look at B. So this says CA over FD. Okay, that looks good. They're both going in the same direction. is equal to AB over DE. Okay, and again, that looks good. Okay, so C says angle A is congruent to angle F. Okay, this is the part that's not right. So angle A is not in the same place as angle F is. So this is not right. So which statement is not correct? C. A and B are both correct. Okay, this one, use the similarity statement. Okay, this is our similarity statement to find the scale factor of the polygon on the left to the polygon on the right. Then find the perimeter. So you're going to have two answers. So we're looking at this polygon over to this polygon. So whatever we write, this polygon is always going to be written first, and this polygon is always going to be written second. Okay, so find the scale factor. So remember, to find the scale factor, we only need to look at one pair of sides. So in this case, let's take the easy way, and let's look at the short sides. So short side on this triangle is 9. We're going to compare that to this short side, which is 12. We're going to simplify. Let's divide each one by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. There's my scale factor. Okay, so I have my scale factor. So now we're going to apply our scale factor to each of these other sides to come up with the sides that we don't know. So MN over QR. Okay, so MN over QR is going to be equal to 15 over some number x. And we know it's going to be equal to 3/4 because that's our scale factor. So we have 4 times 15 equals 3 times x. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2, 60 equals 3x. X is equal to 20. So here we have 20. I'll change colors here. Okay. So now we're going to look at this side, the hypotenuse, the long side. We see here it's 21. And so LN over PR is equal to 21 over something, we'll call it x, is equal to 3/4. So 21 times 4 is equal to 3 times x. 21 times 4 is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 84 equals 3x. X is going to equal to 28. Okay, so this is equal to 28. So then it says find the perimeter of each polygon. So the perimeter, okay, of triangle LMN is equal to 15 plus 9 plus 21 is equal to 9 and 5 is 14, 1 is 15. Carry the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. So that's right. Okay, the perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to 12 plus 20 plus Okay, 2 and 8 is 10. Carry the 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 60. Okay, so we have two parameters, 45 and 60. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video because it's 10 minutes and we'll continue on the next one.